Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. India as underdeveloped economy. India is an underdeveloped economy which is moving towards development. Underdevelopment is the most serious economic problem of India. India is often called rich country inhabited by poor people. The salient characteristics of Indian economy include low per capita income. Per capita income level is much low in India in comparison to other developed countries. According to World Development Report 2007, the per capita income in India is about 1/60th of US level of per capita income. Unequal income distribution. High degree of disparity in income wealth distribution is found in India. Through the motive of establishing a socialistic society was envisaged since second five-year plan, but it has not yet attained. As per the report of NSS, 30% of rural population possesses only 5% of all rural assets, while 88% of households possess 46% of top rural assets. Savings are low in India due to low national income and high consumption expenditure. Gross domestic savings, which were 23.1% of GDP in 1991, enhanced to 29.1% in 2005-06. Low industrialization. India lacks in large industrialization based on modern and advanced technology, failing to accelerate the pace of development in the country. Existence of traditional society. The Indian traditional society is still facing a number of social problems like traditions and customs, malpractices, superstitions, etc., which badly affect the process of economic development. The stigma and social obligations cause unproductive expenditure of the masses that hardly leave any savings for capital formation. High rate of poverty. In India, the poverty is very high. 1/3 of the world's poor live in India. According to the National Sample Survey Organization (NSSO) survey in 2004-05, nearly 22% of the population is below poverty line. High rate of population growth. Indian population has grown at a fast rate of more than 2%. The death rate is falling without any corresponding fall in birth rate. The dependency rate, that is non-working age below 15 and above 64 years age group ratio, is nearly 40%. So working group ratio is only 60%. High unemployment. The incidence of unemployment in India is quite high. There are a large number of unemployed people in India. In 10th Plan 2001 to 35 million people were unemployed. Employment increased at a very slow pace to 2.7% per annum during 2000 and 2002 from 1.07% during 94-2000. On 10th Plan, India has to generate jobs for 70.14 million persons per year. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.